Alright, I'm back. Sorry about that. So basically, you saw me take these apart. And I'm basically just gonna reinstall them. Alright. I put some adhesive on there, just whatever adhesive you have, 3M. It's pretty good. I would start with that. But if you have other adhesive, it's fine. These things fit so tight that it's not gonna come off even when you have it on, so you have nothing to worry about. Well, if it hits the floor, it's a different story, but we'll see. Alright, so I'm gonna install this part here. So basically, I'll just put in the bottom part first, and I'm gonna massage. See, it's still open. I'm gonna massage it in evenly so that it fits flush. You see that's flush in there now? Oh, that came out, that's fine. You know how flush that is? Nice and flush. This is my testing unit, so it's a little scuffed up there, but that's fine. It's nice and flush, you see? Nothing to worry about. Same thing with this end here. There's already some adhesive on here from when I removed it. But you guys wanted me to show you how to install it, and so this is what I'm doing. Alright? Put it in the bottom first. See? And hold this corner down and this corner down and massage it. And you hear it snap in. And that's it, guys. That's basically how you do it. It's nothing crazy, nothing too hard, nothing complicated. I mean, it is a little complicated because you have to remove all of that, but that's how you change the back glass. Alright.